I'm Dr. Michael Haley from Haley Nutrition. I have a few email questions about our aloe vera to drink. Aaron asks, does this come as a gel or liquid? Is it too thick to drink? Does putting it in the blender destroy the genetic structure due to the heat that is generated? Does this company extract the anthraquinones that cause a laxative effect? Number one, liquid or a gel? Well, the fillets have been run through a grinder, turning it into a gel liquid, something that you can drink. It's not jelly-like. It probably has the viscosity similar to olive oil. If you give it a shake, it has a goopy sound to it. Is it too thick to drink? Most of our customers probably drink it straight. I drink it straight every day. I don't mix it in things. I've mixed it in things, but for the most part, I just drink it first thing to get it down. Does putting it in a blender destroy the genetic structure? I don't know. Probably. We've never tested it. But if you put it in a blender at high speed, it definitely foams up and it'll settle down after a while. We don't recommend it. We recommend making your smoothie or whatever you're going to blend and then adding it last, and you might flash blend it in. You'll definitely hear your blender struggle a little bit compared to blending other things. Does this company extract the anthraquinones that cause a laxative effect? No, we don't let them in to begin with. The reality is our fillet technique prevents them from getting in. Not 100%, but we test between 1 and 6 parts per million for the aloe content, which is very low by the IASC standards, International Aloe Science Council. I think they want you to be under a 10 to get certified by them. So we have a very clean, low anthraquinone, no laxative effect from anthraquinones by filleting them properly. Below this video, I'll put a link to a fillet technique that we use. Similar, you'll see it me in my backyard filleting aloe vera, but it's similar to the process we use when we batch make for, when we harvest and make hundreds and hundreds of gallons at a time. All right, hope that answers all your questions. Thank you.